Hello guys, Slimber here, and this is probably going to be really loud in the background because I just got off school. Yay! Fuck yes! Yay! Okay, so... What the fuck? I didn't get a chance to edit this, and I'm not going to, that's why this is a straight up fucking update video. But, basically... Tonight I will be recording some Minecraft daily, and I will be try to upload daily. I'm gonna try to do a long recording session. But I will be doing it probably with Alex, Marco, and maybe Crazy Dude, Trinity, whatever you wanna call it. These people are loud. Shit, people. Okay. But somebody having sex back there. But anyways, yeah, so, trying to get some stuff done tonight. I'm moving, tomorrow, out of the state, so, I won't be able to get as much done for a while. It's gonna probably be like last year, where it was I ran out of shit to upload. Yep, it is. Okay. But, yeah. That's really it. Slimber out. Jesus Christ, people are so loud. You people, man. Slimber out. I'm under your bed!